Extira is an exterior-grade treated wood composite panel that provides a combination of moisture, rot, and termite resistance not possible with wood, MDF, or plywood. It offers high performance with low maintenance for a wide range of exterior non-structural paint-grade applications. These include exterior millwork, door and window parts, decorative shutters, and signage. Extira panels are sanded on two sides for a smooth, unprimed surface. It machines well and can be sandblasted, routed, carved, and laser engraved. Extira panels are an eco-friendly product. No old-growth wood is used to manufacture Extira. The wood that is used has no commercial timber value and is the byproduct of other operations. Extira is acknowledged by the California Air Resources Board's Airborne Toxic Control Measure 93120 to utilize exempt status ultra-low emitting formaldehyde resins. Extira panels are certified by scientific certification systems to contain no added urea formaldehyde. SCS is a global leader in independent certification and verification of environmental, sustainability, and stewardship claims. Extira panels are proudly made in Towanda, Pennsylvania, using the patented Tech manufacturing process. Miratech trim is also made at this facility. The proprietary patented process begins by combining sustainable wood fiber, wax, phenolic resins, zinc borate, and other proprietary ingredients. Phenolic resins are used for moisture resistance, and zinc borate is an EPA-registered biocide. Once the ingredients are combined, they are formed into a fiber mat, which is between 14 to 18 inches thick. The thickness of the fiber mat depends on the size of the finished product. Extira panels are available in 5 thicknesses, from ½ inch to 1 1/4 inch. The fiber mat then enters a pre-press cycle, which removes air from the fiber mat to make it rigid and allows it to fit into the sealed press. Then the cross-cut saw cuts the fiber mat to a length with a 20-inch diameter serrated edge steel blade. Up until this point, any fiber that falls off the line is collected by an adjacent vacuum system and goes back into the reclaim bin to be reused. The fiber mat is loaded into the closed sealed cavity press. Then steam is injected into the fiber mat and escapes the mat evenly from the center to the periphery of the board. This creates a uniform product density, which means that the board is essentially the same no matter where it is cut. Next, it enters the pre-trim line where the rough edges are cut. At this point, the panels are manually inspected at the grading station by carefully trained operators. The yield rate is nearly 100%. Panels are pulled from the line during each shift to be tested for density, weight, and other standards. Then the panels move on to be sanded and cut to the finished size. The board is sanded on both sides by a 6-head sander called a Kimwood sander. Extira is available in 4-foot by 8-foot panels, 4-foot by 16-foot panels, and 2-foot by 16-foot panels. Competitive testing shows Extira outperforms wood and MDF and resists moisture, rot, and termites. That's why it's backed by a 5-year warranty. Extira panels measure up to any project. For more information, visit extira.com.